morning. First for all, I would like to express my sincere to Mr. Lokoman for the vetting guidance, encouragement and advice he has provided through our time and his student. We have been extremely lucky to have a super lecturer who cares so much about our work and who responded to our question and query so promptly. This task has been done with all effort by group members who are encouraged to pursue this topic and spend extra time helping to achieve a clear structure. This project starts with a research and literal review. It is from internet, book and my lecture that related to my project title. We were so satisfied after finish the assignment because it gives us our knowledge on how to analyze the question and how to answer the question. Hope all the effort will give a lot benefit to us and to our group project. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iman Arif bin Ayub, AA161656. Today I want to talk about sila table for this question for my team. First column is the facts, second is ideas, third is learning outcome, and fourth action. First, for the fact is make a steel metal box, and the second baseline the box must be 3 times of the base weight. And the third material to build top and bottom cost RM 200 ringgit per meter cubic, and fourth material to build the side cost RM 100 ringgit per meter cubic, and the volume of the box. And the ideas, for the first is the steel is the main material to build the box, and the second it was cuboid box, 3 length equal to 1 width, and the area is 3 length multiplied by width, and the cost is RM 200 ringgit multiplied by area. Area equal to 3 length multiplied by H, RM 100 ringgit multiplied by AI equal to width multiplied by H, and RM 100 ringgit multiplied by area. V means volume equals to length multiplied by width multiplied by height. And the learning outcomes, how the student get the money to buy the material, means how they get money to buy the steel to make the metal box. And the second, did they get job for finding money at the store or shop, finding job from the other way. And the third is, did they ask from their parents for the money. And the fourth is action. As a reference, we got from lecture note, and the second is book for engineering mathematics books, and the website, you can see the website there. And the fourth is
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ILHAM, and I want to present to you the problem statement. So the question is, a student of mechanical engineering, you have to make a steel metal box as a final year project. The base length of the box must be 3 times of the base width. The material used to build the top and bottom cost RM 200 meter 3, and the material used to build the side of cost RM 100 meter square. If the box must have a volume of 50 meter 3, determine the dimension that will minimize the cost to build the box. So this is the box, and we start out with this. The formula is V stand for volume, length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So we can replace the length by H, width 3 to W, and height W. So we get formula 3 W square and H. Next, and then we mark an L, H and W for the every side of the box. So for the problem statement, we can conclude that the dimension of L, W and H is the main factor that can minimize the cost. Now we must find the value of H by using formula V equal to 3W square multiplied by H. So V we replace by value of 50 equal to 3W square H. So H equal to 50 divided by 3W square. After that, we calculate the cost of L area using the second formula, cost of all area. And then from the question above, we can find the value of W using the derivative dA over dW. And then we can find the value of W. After we got the value of H and W, now we can find the dimension of the box by replace the value to the equation below. V equal to H multiplied by L multiplied by W, and L equal to 3W. So that's it. That's all.
Bago ba na?
AdliFahmi. So today I will explain about solution from our question. This is the list of data. This is the list of data of the question. In the question they have given volume 50 meters meter cube, and we have material cost. For top we have 200, and for side we have 100 ringgit. So in this question we use this formula. We have volume, and we have H, and we have cost of all area. Okay, I will go step by step. For step 1, we use formula V equal to 3W times W times H. So we get 3W squared H. So substitute V in this equation. So we got new equation, H equal to 50 over 3W squared. Move to step 2. We use equation cost of all area, and we substitute. Each cost must times with each area. So first we have 200 for 3W squared, and times 2 because we have top and bottom. So side RM 100 times 2 times the area of right and left side, and we have 100 times 2 for area of in front and behind side. So we calculate 100,000 W squared and 800 WH. So this H, we substitute this H equation in this H. So we get new equation for the cost of each area. And move to step 3. We start to differentiate the equation. So 2 from this move in front, and the W will minus 1. So W power of 1, and this one move in front, so we get negative 1 times 40,000. This minus 1, we get W power of negative 2 and divide by 3. So we calculate, we get this equation. And move to step 4. We assume that dAW this differentiate equal to 0. So we get equal to 0, this equation equal to 0, and we move we move side, and we group it with W with this side and the number with this side, and we calculate the W, we get 1.77 meter. To get the length of the, for dimension length, the length is L, based on question, length equal to 3W. So length equal to 3W. So substitute W in this equation, and we get 5.31 meter. And then we find H from this equation. We get W and substitute, calculate, and we get 5.32 meter. And lastly, the dimension to minimize the cost, we combine all, we get 5H is 5.32 meter times by 5.31 meter for length, and times width 1.77 meter. That's the dimension for that to reduce cost.
Name is Sharifuddin and I will talk about the conclusion of engineering mathematics. Okay, for the conclusion of the mathematics, we can conclude that the life also contains mathematics such as algebra and engineering math. The use is very widespread among the student and the worker nowadays, and it can be seen that the differentiation also can be applied to everyday life. Based on our observation, we can see that the differentiate is more to minus from its origin. The formula that used in differentiation is about decreasing in the size of the object or number of the thing, in contrast with the integration, which the differentiate. The integration is the increasing in size number such as the volume of the cube. This topic is the base of studying engineering mathematics and for students who apply in the engineering course. There is a big analysis that can be taken as a cover for this report. I hope that this report meet the requirement of our question and be able to satisfy the reader. Okay, this is some formula that we use in the differentiation. Okay, I think that's all from me.
Created using Powtoon.